let's go to page 235 and start with number 1. You got 15x minus 3x. So to combine the like terms, you need to have the same base with the exponent. So these are like terms. So this will equal to, so 15 minus 3 will give you 12. So it will be 12x. Okay, number 3. You have 5a minus 12a. So you have to identify the variable part. They are the same, so these are like terms. So you just minus the coefficient. So 5 minus 12 give you negative 7. So negative 7a. Okay, you have negative 2x squared plus 6x squared. So they are the same, so they are like terms. So this is equal to negative 2 plus 6 will give you 4. So when you add, do not change the variable. Okay, the variable is like your label. Okay. So this would be like 6 apples minus 2 apples give you 4 apples, right? It would be, so that's how you kind of add or subtract polynomials. Okay, number 7, you got x to the 3 plus 7x to the 3. So again, these are like terms. So again, there's no number means it's 1. So you got 1 plus 7, this will give you 8. Okay, next one you got 3xy minus 10xy. So again, look at your variable, they are exactly the same, so these are like terms. So you got 3 minus 10 will give you negative 7. Okay. Okay, 11. Okay, you got 4x squared plus 3x. This one, they are unlike terms because you got x squared, you got x, so they are not the same. Okay, x squared and x are not the same. Okay, it would be like apple and pineapple. Okay, they are not the same. Okay, so they are similar, but they are not the same. So be careful with that. Okay, so again, to be like term, they have to be exactly the same. Okay. Next one, you have 2a minus 5a plus 6a. Okay, so all these have a, so all these are like terms, so you can just combine the coefficients. So 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 6 is 8. It's 3. Okay. Another way to do this is you can add it. So 2 plus 6 is 8. So 8 minus 5 will give you 3. Okay, that's another way of doing it. Okay, 15. Okay, you got 5x minus 8x plus x plus 3. Okay, so all these are like terms. X. So all these are like terms, so you can just add a coefficient. And again, when you add, since that, so you can since that's same priority, you can just do it, you know, like terms like this. So you can, like 5 plus 3 is 8, minus 8 will cancel out, so it'll be x. Or you can just do it in order, doesn't matter. So 5 minus 8 is negative 3, plus 1 is negative 2, plus 3 will give you 1, so it'll be x. Okay. Okay, 17. You have 3x plus 2y minus 3x. Okay, so this is different from the other one, so you cannot combine this one. So you only can combine this one and this one. And since they cancel out, your answer will be just 2y. Okay. Okay, next one, you got 3mn minus 5mn plus 2mn. Okay, so all these have an mn, so all these are like terms, so you can just combine. Okay, so notice that this will give you 5, and 5 minus 5 will give you 0, and 0 mn will just be 0. Okay. Okay, 21. You have 2xy minus 5. Now it's yx, so I'm going to arrange it alphabetical. Okay, so this is, again, 5yx. Again, you can rearrange. Okay, and since these are multiplication, you can commute them. Okay. Okay, so these have xy, 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 so they are all like terms, so you can combine. Okay, so 2 minus 5 is negative 3, plus 1 will give you negative 2. Okay, you have a squared b minus 3a squared b. So when you don't have number in front, means it's 1. So you got 1 minus 3 will give you negative 2. Okay, and that's it. Okay. Okay, number 25, yeah, 5x plus 7 minus 2x plus 3. Okay, so started getting messy, so that's going to be organized. So that's going to identify the like terms. So this one and this one are like terms. Okay, so this will give you 3x, and then this one and this one will be plus 10. Again, same sign. You add the numbers together. Okay. Okay, 27. You have x minus 3 plus 4x minus 8. Okay, so let's start with a highest degree term. So identify the like terms. So this will give you 5x, and the other two. So again, both are negative. So same sign. You add the numbers together. You take the sign of the higher number, which is negative. Okay. Okay, 29. You have 4x squared minus 3x minus 8x squared minus 4x. Okay, so let's start with the highest degree term. So let's do the x squared. So you have this one and this one. So 4 minus 8 will give you negative 4. And then you do the leftover, so be minus 7x. Right, again, same sign, you add the numbers together and you take the sign, follow the sign of the big number. Okay, and that's it. Okay, number 31. You have 5x squared minus 3x plus 7 minus 2x squared plus 8x minus 9. Okay, so you can start with the highest degree term. So let's start with the square. Okay, so 5 minus 2 would be 3. So you can start with the square, and then you do the next one. Again, I use a different shape so I can know which one goes which. Okay, so negative 3 and 8, they're opposite signs, so you have to subtract the number, and you go with the sign of the higher numbers would be plus. Okay, and then the leftover would be minus 2. Okay, so 7 minus 9 give me negative 2. And when it starts to get kind of long, you don't worry about boxing it. Okay, don't worry about boxing the answers when the answers start to get kind of long. Okay, 33. So you have x minus 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 4x squared plus x cubed. Okay, so first let's going to identify the like terms. Start with the highest degree. So the cube, so let's do the cube. Look for the cube. So negative 3 plus 1 would be negative 2x cubed, right? Then you do the square. So that's that one and this one. So 2 minus 4 would be negative 2. Okay, and the leftover, you got x minus 5x would be minus 4x. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to the next one. You have x cubed. That's done right over here. X cubed minus 2x squared plus 6x minus 3x squared minus 7x plus 3. Okay, so that's going to start with the highest degree. So that's the x cubed. So take care of that. Then you have the square here and the square here. So this will give me minus 5x squared. Again, same sign, you add the numbers together and you follow the sign of the higher number. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to use the parallelogram for the next shape, for the next one. So plus 6 minus 7 would be minus 1, so it would be minus 1x. And the leftover would be plus 3. Okay. Okay, 37. You have at 5x squared minus xy plus y squared plus 6xy minus 7y squared. So again, let's go and do alphabetical. Okay, so I have the 5x squared, so that takes care of that. And next, I'm going to do the xy, because just think about dictionary, right? xy come before the y squared is at y. Okay. Okay, so let's go and do the xy, So this will give me plus 5xy, and then this one, the leftover, you don't want to, you don't want to box it or anything because that's leftover. So this will give me 1 minus 7 would be minus 6y squared. Okay, number 39. Okay, you have 7x squared y minus 2xy squared minus 4x squared y minus xy squared. Okay, so let's start with the x squared y. Okay, so x squared y. Okay, so this will give me 3x squared y. And the other one, since there's only 2 left, you can just leave it. Okay, you don't want to box it. Okay, so minus 2 minus 1 will give me minus 3. Again, same sign, you add a number together, and xy squared. Okay. Okay, number 41. You have 2 over 3 y squared minus 1/2 y squared plus 5 over 6 y squared. Okay, so all these are like terms, so we have to just add all this together. Okay, to add fraction, you have to get into common denominator. So common denominator would be 6. So let's go and do this first. Get our common denominator ready. So from here to here, you have to multiply by 2. So this would be a 4. From here to here, you have to multiply by 3. So it would be 3. And this one, you don't want to do anything. Okay. So now, you can just go and 4 minus 3 will give you 1. 1 plus 5 will give you 6. And so this would be just 1. So this would be just equal to y squared. Okay. Okay, 43. Here you have 12.67 second plus 9.08 second minus 6.73 second. So again, this is the variable and label, you can treat it the same way. So this one you can just use your calculator and just go and add this together. Okay. So you got 12.67 plus 9.08 minus 6.73 equal. So this will equal to 15.02 second. Okay.